Hello friends, in this video we will try to see how to calculate a word count program using PySpark and as well as the Scala in a given text file. Okay, now we will try to look up some sample file. Let's say file store under tables. Okay, we do have multiple files. We'll try to check some sample txt, sample3.txt. Let's copy this and then we'll create a program. Let's say words equal to sc.text file. Now we'll copy paste this the file path. Now let's calculate word count equal to words dot. First let's try to do the float map. So using lambda line colon line dot split based on tab delimited dot map lambda word colon word comma 1. So we are mapping 1 for the each word and then we are doing reduce by key and then we are applying reduce by key lambda of x comma y colon x plus y. Okay, so what we are trying to do, we are doing the flattening in a give for the text file based on the tab delimiter. After that we are mapping each word for 1 and then we are doing reduce by key operation. Okay, now we will try to collect the word count for each word, how many times is repeated. Okay, now let's try to run this program. Okay, so if we try to see PySpark repeated 1 time, is repeated 7 times, Apache repeated 3 times, Spark repeated 9 times, Python repeated 3 times. Okay, now we'll try to see, let's say we will validate the data, like let's say Spark is repeated 9 times, it is showing. This is the file we have taken. Let's copy. Now let's try to check this data. So this is PySpark, so this it won't consider. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and see it's went for starting, so 9 times repeated. So this is working as expected. Now Apache repeated 3 times. Now we will try to check this. 1 2 3, see it's repeated thrice, so this is also correct. So this is giving the accurate results. So this is how we can achieve using PySpark or Python. Now we will try to see in Scala way. So percentage Scala. See, now it's turned to Python to Scala. Previously it is Python, right? Percentage Scala, it turns to Scala mode. Now we will try to create a program for this as well. I'll write equal to sc.text file. Let's copy the same file path. And now let's take the counts equal to red dot. Let's do the same flat map. line bracket symbol line dot split this run the tab delimiter dot map. Now let's say word bracket symbol, let's say word comma 1. We are mapping every element with 1 value 1. Now let's do the apply the reduce by key transformation and then give the this donation. Okay, now we will try to collect the counts. Okay, now we will try to run and see the program. Okay, this has given the list in the array form. Now what we have seen here, Spark repeated 9 times, Apache repeated 3 times. We have checked the sample data. If we try to see, where is Apache? Yeah, see, Apache repeated 3 times. Okay. And what else we have seen? Spark repeated 9 times. So somewhere Spark should be there. Okay, let's try to take this. Let's try to take this out into Notepad++. Yeah, now we'll try to see. Spark repeated 1 time. PySpark, sorry. See here, Spark we have repeated 9 times. Okay, so it is written the accurate results as we expected. So we have seen a word count program using PySpark or Python, and we have using the Scala also we have seen. So that's all for today's guys. If you really like this video, please do subscribe, like it and share it, and please do the comment.